So hi guys, what's up? Back to my channel. So I will tell you how to make like these. I tell you how to make thumbnail like me. So first come to Pixta, and this app you can go and you can see on Play Store. And now I will show you how to do like this thumbnail making. So first, if you want to do like I like which one I like. So I think like listen. So which one I like? So I like this. But I tell you which one I like. So I like this one. I show you. I like this one thumbnail. Okay, it now downloading. So look, I like this one thumbnail, and I just you can see this. Now do like this and remove the text. Okay, now listen, go to your like images. You can here to see your images, but if you want to upload it from your gallery, so you can upload from your gallery too, because that is so good. And now I will tell you how to do. Okay, so you can see like this. So I want to make like I'm making my thumbnail to how to make thumbnail. Okay, so first I take this. Okay, so look this, I will put like this, and you can make laptop also, because the project is connected to be laptop. Okay, and you can connect to another. Okay, so now look, if you want to text to, you can see here, you can see all here fonts like this: neon, free, news, receive, time, gaming. So I will choose blue color because the background is too blue color, so we will to use blue colors. Okay, so you can see here is the so much best fonts. Okay, so first add your text. First add your text, and like I will write how to make thumbnail. Okay, so I will tell you. Okay, now look this. So put here. Okay, and you can choose the font also. Okay, here are so many fonts. Look, the thumbnail for Thursday, Fortnite, Chuckle Cheese, Indigo, and so many. So I will choose this one. Okay, so this is so much good one. Thumbnail is good one font, and you can here do size too, and you can do BG. Here is the BG means like this. So we doesn't like BG, do we remove the BG? Outline mean like this. The outline is like this. Look this. So look, I choose green color, I choose blue color, I choose red color. Okay, so we don't like outline, so we do little bit blue color outline. Okay, so here we the blue color. Okay, and we are doing like this. So this is great. Now we are doing shadow. Open the shadow and do black color. You can also do all colors, but we want to shadow do, and we are doing the main shadow color is black. And you can do obliquity also, and effects, and move and adjust too. So we do effects, and here are so many and legendary effects. So here are glow effects. Look this, green effects, so much best effects. Look this, and here you can move also the text, and you can use the power also. Okay, now power means if I do power full and I do down, the text will be go down directly so much fast. And if I do small and I do power slow, the if you do that your text control, so your text will be little bit go down. So look this, I will choose my power 10. So look this, how it's going fast. Okay, now if I do the power 0, so text can't be moved because the text didn't have power. So we do power little bit, so that will not move little bit, move so much little bit. Okay, so you can move here like this, right, left and down, up, and you can see all here the best, and you can go side, and now you can see elements too. So I will take this one elements, and you can see here are so many elements. Brush, look there, this is so much beautiful element that I use. You know how I make best thing, you always say, and you know how to I do 3D, the 3D photo. Now I tell you how to do 3D photo. First you see the up one, that green color button, upload from gallery. Then now go to down and remove then take the one photo. Okay, and yes, do yes, and you can crop your photo, like I am doing Imam Ali, and I am doing like this. Okay, and just look this, how I do. Okay, now look this, people say how you do the 3D animation, like the photo is 3D. So I will tell you how to do first I want to remove the corners, so I will go here and I will do like this. Okay, and now I will go to the border and select the black color, and you can see the border size also, look this. And now I am doing the shadow, and you say always how you do shadow. From the photo I do shadow like this from black color. And now my favorite part is skew. Skew is the, now I will tell you how I do 3D thing. I can do like this also and like this also, and you can see like this also. So I do like this 3D animation thumbnail. And now you can see I can move also here like this, but I am not moving. And you can do here noise and pixelate also, like I am doing. Pixelate means to blur your photo, like Imam Ali is now blurred. Yeah, his photo is now blurred. Now you see the photo is not blurred. Okay, in pixelate we can say little bit blurred because that is box blurred, and the blur normal, the original blur is like this. Okay, so you can do on noise means like this, you can't see the photo like this. So we are doing little bit like this, but we are doing 0 because we didn't like. Now we can do OPQ because look this. So I do like this, and you can see border too. So we get black choose, and the corners I deleted. And you can do 3D like this, but we are doing like this. And you can do like this too, like this, like this, like this, like this, or like this too. But we are doing normal. Look this. So now look how I make the thumbnail. Now you see the thumbnail and say this is not looking like a great thumbnail. So I'll show you one thing. First we are going to the stickers, and we are first we are go here into the elements, and you can see here so many elements like these or like these. Okay, and look this, here are so many arrows, and you can control these like this, like this, like this, or like these. or you can do like this. So how I am doing, look this. So first I will do like this and do like this, and look, now we are going to the shapes and we are take the shapes, and you can do like this or like these. Look this, and you can control them also because you have so many powers. Okay, now we do like this, and you can choose the color also. So we will choose blue color, and look this, here are so many, and you can also put, the amazing part is you can also put your mask, but there is not for Pixar, so we are putting from our gallery. So what I put this and preview. And do you want to crop the select? No, we don't want. And you can see, look this, here, look this, this is the craziest part forever. And you can do here also, look this, look this. And you, if you want to save in your gallery, you see that up one green color button, just tap it and save image. Just your will photo done, and subscribe to our channel.